Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a circle arrow. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the Insert tab. From there, click on Shapes and find the Arc option under the Basic Shapes category. Now, click and drag your mouse on the slide to draw the arc. Remember to hold down the Shift key while drawing to ensure your arc maintains a perfect, symmetrical curve. Once your arc is on the slide, select it to reveal the yellow adjustment handles. These are crucial for shaping your circle arrow. Drag the yellow handle on the arc to adjust its curvature, making it more or less circular. Next, to transform this arc into an arrow, navigate to the Shape Format tab, click Shape Outline. Then hover over Arrows and choose your preferred arrowhead style for both ends or just one. Now let's customize your circle arrow's appearance. With the arrow still selected, go to the Shape Format tab. Click Shape Outline to change its color, choosing from a wide palette. You can also adjust the line's thickness by selecting Weight and picking a point size, such as 3 points or 4 1/2 points. For a different look, try the Dashes option to make your arrow dotted or dashed. To create a full circular flow with multiple arrows, simply duplicate your first arrow by pressing Ctrl+D. You can then rotate and arrange these copies to form a continuous circle. Once all your arrow segments are perfectly positioned, select them all. Then, press Ctrl+G to group them into a single object. This makes it much easier to move, resize, or further customize your complete circle arrow design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.